Hello friends, welcome back to Creative Tech. In this video I am going to show how to download Minecraft Java edition in PC. This is a very easy way, so everyone can do this. So you need to open this website. I given the link in description. So you need to click download TL and you need to click which website, which OS you are using. I am using Windows, so I am clicking on Windows. Okay, the download started. So there are two websites, one will be in English and one will be in Portuguese, I think so. I had given the English website in below in description, so don't forget to click. Okay, it's downloading. So it's downloaded. Let me wait. Okay. Yeah. So you will get a pop-up like this and you need to continue. After that setup, you will be getting a screen like this. When you click on install, it will take some time and install your version that you are looking for. Okay, it might take a while. Yeah, so I am skipping. Yeah, it will take more time. Okay, after completing, if you press enter the game again, it will open the game. Okay, see, so I already downloaded and using mods. So I open this world rendering. Okay, so I know what I'm doing. Okay, so we need to wait. Okay, it came. Okay, it's taking time, I think so. Okay guys, I think it's stuck. Yeah, join. So now I given only 2 GB of RAM or 1 GB, I think so. So there are many lag, and as you can see I'm in creative mode. So it's pure original, not original. A version you can play in creative or anything like that, not a beta or test. See, it's Java. Anyway, in next episode I will upload soon. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. I am signing out.